Hey, babe. What you eating? You got some beef jerky? Can I have a piece? Piece for Mama. Lily. Lil, come on. I want a piece. Hey, share.
Smurf is lost. Which one was it?
Give Mommy some. Hey, that was my treat. Come over here. Excuse me. Are you chewing on every piece and then sticking it back in? Good job. Yeah. Hey. What are you eating? Can you get up? Are you stuck? Oh. Oh, you give me hugs? Thank you. Hi. Do you want to give Willie hugs? You want to give the Willie hugs? Oh, where's Willie? Go get him. The Willie, there he is.
Did I just walk by?
Say Willie hugs. Oh, is it a head hug? Head hugs. Willie hug. Go get him. Go get him.
You made a big comeback, but
There he is. Go get him. Right. Willie hugs. Headbutt.
Head poo. Say poopy smell.
Yeah, that's where it comes from, isn't it, Lily? Is it a stinky bum? Hey, baby, get your Willie. Willie hugs. Do you love him? Yeah. You pushing him?
Gotcha, guys. What happened? Gotcha.
Now you want your overalls on? Let's see. Oh, aren't they cute? Say bye-bye. See you later.
Oh, McDonald's, funny Barbie.